will count all the digits, count the even numbers, count the odd numbers, find a digit within the input numbers, and getting the most occurring number. And we'll also have a clear button for the user to repeat the program execution again. I am Crystal Urbana and I'm here to present you the function of count all digits button. As you can see, here is the program code for the count all digits button. The user is required to enter a digit in the text field. If the user clicks the button without entering any number in the text field, an alert box will pop up telling the user to input the field. Then once the user is done entering a number, if he or she clicks the count all digits button, the program will execute and count all the numbers in the text field and print the result or output using paragraph or p-type. The next presenter will be Mr. Delpin and he will be discussing on how count all even digits button work.
Thank you, Mr. Bana. I'm John Russell D. Delpin, and I'm here to present you the program code of the Count All Even Digits button. If the user click the Count Even Digits button, our program will check every single digits in the text field, and if there is a digit that can be divided exactly by 2 and its remainder is equal to 0, then it will be stored in the count variable, and this will increment as long as there is still an even digit in the text field. Once all digits are checked, it will print the count of even digits in the output. That is all, and our name will be Miss Antonia.
Thank you, Mr. Delphin. I am Ramila Hannah Grace and I will tackle the count odd digit button. almost has the same program execution in count even digit button. The only difference is that if its remainder is not equal to 0, it will also store its count in a variable and it will also increment as long as there's still an odd number to be checked. Once done, it will print the output of how many odd digits are there. The next is about find the digit button and will be discussed by Miss Candelaria.
Thank you, Miss Antonia. I am Geraldine Candelaria and I am here to present you the function of find the digit button. Here is the program code. The user will input a number in the text field. If the user click the button of find a digit, a prompt will appear and ask the user to enter a digit. If the user entered 2 digits or more, an alert will appear and require the user to input 1 digit only. Then the user can try again. Our program will check and compare if the user input is within the number that is in the text field. We use if-else statement here. And if it is true, then the output will tell that the digit is found. Else, it will tell that user input cannot be found. Our next presenter will be Miss Irene Pregonero, and she will be discussing the most occurring number.
Thank you for Miss Candelaria, and I am Irene Pregonero that will be presenting our program in the most occurring number.
The function of this button is to find the number that has occurred most in the text field. For example, if the user input is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5,
And if he or she click the most occurring digit button, then the output will display the number that has occurred the most in the paragraph or in tally. We will present also the program for clear button. This is our video presentation for our problem project. Thank you for watching.